Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to factory reset using recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone. Now just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Now after you do that, now just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. Now after that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Now once the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just release the power button and the volume up button. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered to the recovery mode. To navigate the screen, just press the volume down button, then select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now just press the volume down button to select Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. Now once the process completes, just press the volume down or the volume up button and select Reboot System Now. Now just press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. Now as you can see, this is how you can factory reset using recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.